Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on DENT token. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of DENT token has formed another descending triangle on a daily time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live daily time frame, then you can see that finally we broke down the support of this descending triangle. And by the way, the technical target for this breakdown was here as per this measurement. That was approximately at $0.00057, and you can see that the price then dropped up to $0.0000667. It was very close to hit that target, but could not break down this support that is here at $0.0008. In fact, we had a long spike to the downside to the next support of $0.00066. It was recently breaking as a support here, and before that, it was also breaking as a support here as well. And before that, this $0.0006 has been breaking at a very strong resistance here for several days. And therefore, again, it worked as a very, very nice support and the price and geared up. And now we are about to hit this previous support of the triangle. In fact, we read the resistance here, the support of the triangle here, that is now working at the resistance. And now the pricing is once again about to hit this previous support of the triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel as well. You can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the pricing got rejected by this resistance, quite long-term resistance of $0.0022. And on the 7 days time frame chart, DENT token has already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for SCI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 6th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of DENT token. In here, you can see that on the daily time frame chart, recently, the price of DENT token has broken down the support of the triangle. Before that, it also broke down the support of this channel as well. By the way, this channel is more visible on the 4-hour time frame chart. This was the channel you can see. And for several hours a day, it had been moving inside this channel. And after the breakdown, the technical target that I was telling you was here at the bottom of the channel at $0.0009. And you can see that the price and dropped more than that. And during this move, we also formed this descending triangle on the daily time frame chart as well. Now, recently, we have broken down the support of the triangle. We moved very close to hit the target for this breakdown, but the price and recovered back after testing this long-term support of $0.00066 and even did not break down this support of $0.0008 as well. Got rejected by this previous support of the triangle that is now working as a resistance. In fact, this is already working as a very strong and long-term support and resistance level here at $0.001. That was recently working as support here, resistance here, and resistance here, and therefore again, after this breakdown, it is working as a very, very strong resistance. And recently, you can see that when it was moving inside this triangle, it was already working as a very, very strong support as well. Now, if the price breaks out this resistance of $0.001, then still we will need to break out the resistance of the triangle as well. That can again work as a very strong hurdle for the price line. And before that, you can see that we have already broken out this down channel on this daily time frame chart as well. And so far, the price line could not hit the target for the breakout from this channel, despite this very powerful pump. It could not hit the target for this breakout, and that target is here at the top of the channel that is at $0.0027. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and huge falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately somewhere between 2.3 cents to 2.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.